So I've had my Airbnb live for a couple years now, and I've come to realize that while I think it's really great, the competition is tough out there in Palm Springs, and I don't know if my backyard is really as cool as some of the others in the area. So today I'm going to add a new amenity that I think will step it up, and that is an outdoor theater setup. How magical do these look? I mean, I've got to do it. I've got the perfect projector for this, so today we're gonna set it up, and also very important, we're gonna take listing photos to advertise it. So first thing, obviously, we need a good projector. This is the Nebula Cosmos 4K SE projector. I've used one of their projectors for the past year and I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I use it like every single day. So they actually sent me the new version of it and I was like, all right, this is going to be perfect for the Racquet Club Theater. And they also have a new capsule air projector that I'll talk about a little bit later, because this one's a really good option too if you are looking to do like a portable outdoor theater. Okay, let's get to it. So first things first, we gotta move some stuff around. We gotta move this table. Am I gonna be able to do this? I'm really just rearranging things I already have, so I don't have to buy any new furniture. These lounge chairs are really comfortable and they have wheels, so they're very easy to move around. So they're kind of perfect for this. How'd I do, Teddy? Looks good. We are gonna put this on a tripod so it's nice and steady. The projector, you can just pop a little quick release plate. Now you can put it on a tripod. Forgot to get a longer extension cord, so we're gonna use this for now. Gonna be an eyesore for the video shots, but no worries. I'm pretty good at Photoshop, so you're not gonna see them in the listing photos. I feel like anything like this that you're adding to an Airbnb, you need to set it up first and make sure that it is as easy as possible for guests to set up. So when Airbnb guests are here, there is a noise ordinance. They're not allowed to play music outside at all. Nothing, not even your iPhone technically is allowed. So solution for that, I bought some silent disco headphones and a transmitter. Pop these on and you can watch a movie. If you're in your own backyard, you probably don't have to do this, or if you're using the projector inside, you definitely don't have to do this. This projector specifically does have a really fantastic speaker, so if you're not in an area with a noise ordinance or you're watching inside, I would say skip this step. It has built-in 30-watt Dolby audio, which I found is really good. The quality is really good and it gets nice and loud when you want it to. Oh my god, that is incredible actually. Oh my god. It's so cool. I feel like anytime you're looking at a video recording of a projector, it just doesn't do it justice. It's so much cooler in person. I was just so excited when I got the setup because it really feels like a little movie theater out here. So yesterday kind of ended up being more like a trial run. Tonight, we are really testing this out. We're having our first showing at the Racquet Club Resort. My parents are coming over. We're gonna watch a movie and make sure that it's a fun experience that goes smoothly. So welcome you guys to the Racquet Club Resort Cinema Club. I got a longer extension cord so it wouldn't be in the way of any of the shots. And one thing that I think is really important is advertising this well. So I'm staging this with some popcorn, some champagne. We really want to bring people looking at the listing into the moment and make them go, ooh, I want to do that. I want to stay there. These little details, they're super easy to add and they really do go a long way in getting people to just picture themselves there. So I'm gonna get some daytime photos so we can have daytime and nighttime of the setup. Just, I don't know, in case I want it. So let's do it. This should be pretty easy. I feel like we want like a really low angle though. One thing I've noticed real estate photographers will do is they'll get a little detail shot in the foreground. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna have like the champagne and everything. I think the daytime listing photo turned out really nice, but the nighttime one is gonna be amazing because that's when we actually get the projector in the shot. Want to see the setup?
Yeah.
Ooh, I almost got red vines too. And dog treats for Teddy. Pretty cool, right?
Oh, you got headphones for everybody.
Because of the noise ordinance, you know? I got the headphones. We're still kind of browsing movies to watch, but as we watch the trailers, the headphones, they're working great, and the picture of the projector, it's looking awesome. While we wait for it to get a little bit darker, because that's really gonna give us the best viewing experience, I'll tell you guys a little bit more about the Cosmos projector. I've had one of these projectors for the past year, but this is the newer version that I just got. And let me tell you guys, it's amazing. If you watch my vlogs, you know I use it like almost every day. I don't have a TV because I love it that much. With this projector, you can make the screen size up to 200 inches and you can watch up to 4K. It has Google TV, so you can watch 4K Netflix, because actually, you guys, if you have a projector that supports 4K, if it doesn't have Google TV, then Netflix can only display it in 1080p. So with this projector, you can actually watch Netflix in 4K. Both of the projectors have autofocus and auto keystone correction, so you don't need to go manually focus it, or if you have it like slightly slanted on the tripod, it can kind of auto correct that so it looks good. So you can see here, I move the projector over and it auto keystone corrects so everything fits in the frame properly, and it autofocuses it without leaving the screen so you can keep watching. And the Cosmos has Dolby Vision, which will basically optimize scene by scene to make it the best quality on the TV or projector that you're using. There's a setting called Nebula Master Mode, which gives you dynamic contrast. It optimizes the grayscale color accuracy and gives smoother visuals with decontouring. This projector has 1800 ANSI lumens, so it is very bright. It has this convenient carry handle, so if you need to move it around, you can easily do that. I like that it uses Google TV. It's got a really good interface, so you can easily access all your streaming platforms. You don't need to use an HDMI cord or anything like that. They have an early bird offer on this projector. It's normally about $1,300, but right now you can get a $300 off code, making it $9.99. So I set up this whole projector and everything, and you know what the hardest part is? It's picking a movie to watch. We cannot settle on something we all agree on, but I think we're gonna do a classic. We're gonna do Back to the Future. Just the original?
Yeah, if we get tired of it, we can always like say, nah, let's try something else.
True, because we're not at a movie theater. We're at the Racket Club Resort Theater, and we could do whatever we want. Okay, let's give it a try. Let's do this. It wouldn't be a real movie experience if you didn't have to watch this first.
We come to this
What is
place.
she doing there? Get her out. Out you go.
Okay, they don't get the joke, but it's okay. Popcorn.
Don't bother.
All right, happy to report everything went very smoothly. It's ready to go for guests, and honestly, it was so fun to watch outside. Okay, you guys, I have to say, this is awesome. This is so much better than watching a movie inside. It just is like more engaging, just being able to watch it with the headphones, and also just the screen obviously is like 4 times bigger than my TV. So I feel like this is the only way I'm gonna watch movies from now on. So I really wanted to get some nighttime Airbnb listing photos. What I'm doing for this is a long exposure shot. It's where you make the shutter speed really long. So like 2 to 4 seconds, maybe even 8 seconds. It gives you this really cool glowy look with the lighting. So take a look at how they turned out. I think these are great. Like, I didn't need to hire a photographer. I just used my camera to do it, and I think these will do. So Nebula makes another projector I want to tell you guys about, because this one is more affordable and more portable. It's the Capsule Air projector. This is amazing because it's so small. It's the size of a soda can, and this one's different than the Cosmos because it has a battery. It can support 2 hours of battery life, so you don't always need to have it plugged in. They also make a tripod for the Capsule Air that doubles as a power bank. You can plug the tripod into the Capsule Air and it'll give you 2 more hours of battery life. So you can have 4 hours total without having to plug into a wall. They also have a snap-on base that you can use to mount it to the wall. So if you want to just permanently put it somewhere in your living room, your bedroom, it's easy to do that. You could also hang it from a hook or something like that upside down, and it's still going to project the image upright. By the way, you don't need the snap-on base to connect it to the tripod. You can totally just connect it directly if you want. I think the power bank tripod's super cool because you can angle it. You can even put it 90 degrees, project something onto a piece of paper, and use it to trace something. This is all really portable, pretty lightweight, so it's easy to bring this around wherever you want to use a projector. They have an early bird special for the Capsule Air as well. For $3.99, you can get the Capsule Air, the snap-on base, and the power bank tripod. Alright guys, that is the video. That is how I made an outdoor theater. It was actually pretty easy. I feel like anyone could recreate this in their backyard if they have a blank white wall, or you could always purchase one of these. It's really not that expensive. Then you can have a nice backdrop to project something onto. Please comment down below your movie recommendations because I'm obsessed with my outdoor theater now and I have lots to watch. Okay, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!